In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay account. Whether you're looking to start buying fantastic products or begin your journey as a seller, setting up your account is the crucial first step. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and visit the eBay homepage. You'll find yourself greeted by eBay's welcoming interface, brimming with diverse options for buying and selling everything imaginable. But before you can take full advantage of these features, you'll need to register as a user. Look towards the top of your screen, either to the left or the right, and locate the register button. It's a clear path to getting started, so go ahead and click on it. Once you click it, you'll be presented with a choice that will determine the nature of your account, personal or business. If you're intending to buy items for personal use or sell as an individual, opt for the personal account. However, if you're planning to sell on a larger scale or operate as a company, the business account would be your best bet. Now it's time to fill out some basic information. You'll need to enter your name and a valid email address. Make sure this is an email you can access easily, as you'll soon need it for the next step. Create a robust password to secure your account. Remember, strong passwords typically include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it's a good idea to avoid simple, easily guessed phrases or sequences. After entering your information, you'll be asked to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for an email from eBay, and if you can't find it, make sure you glance at your spam or junk folder just in case. Inside that email, you'll find a link. Click on it to verify your account. This step is crucial to finalize your registration, ensuring everything is conveniently secured under your name. With your email confirmed, the gateway to eBay is now open and you can proceed to set up your profile. Customize it with a photo if you'd like, or keep it simple. More so, you can delve into your preferences, set up shipping details if you're thinking of selling, or save your favorite categories for a tailored browsing experience. Now, you're all set to explore eBay's vast marketplace. Whether you're looking to snag elusive bargains or showcase your products, you have a plethora of opportunities awaiting. Enjoy the adventure that comes with discovering rare finds or tapping into a global market to reach potential buyers. So there you have it. Creating an account on eBay is a simple yet essential start in exploring or profiting from a dynamic and diverse online marketplace. Thank you for watching and enjoy everything eBay has to offer.